Okay, today welcome to Tech Minute Series. Today we are going to see about the Apache Solr installation in Windows machine. Okay, I'm going to walk through the steps. Okay, first we need to download the Solr package from the Lucene site. After that, we need to unzip the contents into your convenient drive. Third one is a prerequisite. Here, the prerequisite is the Java, setting the Java home. After that, we will start the server in a specific port and stop it. And after that, we'll validate the Solr installation. Uh, okay. I'm going to download the package from the site. Okay. Okay. Here we are downloading the. Here is the download page. We are downloading the 8.6.3. It's a recent package here. That is a stable release actually. I'm just downloading the binary releases. Okay, it will redirect to the download URL. I'm just click the download thing. It will take some time to download. We will wait for some time. Okay, I copied the download package to the Solr directory folder. It's have created a one folder named Solr underscore directory. This is a T. It's a compressed format. You need WinRAR or WinZip to unzip the contents actually. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to unzip the contents here. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to check the prerequisite that is Java Home, whether it is set it up or not. I'm already set it up. I'm just checking it through the command and prompt. Okay. So I'm just typing the command echo percentage Java underscore home. Okay. Okay. It's already set it up to D program files Java JDK 1.8.0 to and to update actually. Okay, that is right. Okay, our Solr package has been unzipped. Okay, it's there. I'm just rename to Solr. Sorry, rename to. Okay, okay. This is the command window. This is the file we need to run it from command and prompt. I'm going to run in the command and prompt here. Actually, there will be two options to start the Solr server, whether we can run it foreground or else we can run it through the background. I'm just run it through the backgrounds. It run is the background services. Okay. Okay, I'm showing the command solar start hyphen b. It's a port. You can mention your convenient port. I'm here. I'm starting it in the default port itself. 8983 is the default port for Apache Solr. I'm starting it in the default folder actually. Okay. Solar start command hyphen p 8983. Okay. Okay. It's a warning showing some warning. No need to worry about that. We'll wait for some time. Okay. Waiting up to 30 seconds to see solar running on the port 3. It will check the solar actually whether it is up or not. Okay. We get the responses. Started on 8983 and happy searching. It is successfully started on 8983. Okay. Here is the URL to check whether the solar is started or not. Just copying the URL, pasting it here. Okay. Solar has been successfully started. You can see the version. Solar spec 8.6.3. It's you can see the started instance started time, physical memory of it will display. These are dashboard actually. What was the swap space available? JVM memory. What was JVM memory? Okay. It will tell the JVM details actually. runtime 64-bit 1.8.0. It has some configuration. It will display the configurations actually. Okay, as of now, no cores are available actually. Haven't created any core. Core is a index thing actually. Okay, it will tell the logging part. Core admin. Here we can add the core actually by because of this link. Here the Java properties are there actually. In further videos, I will explain the each and every property section here. Thread dump. Okay. Now we have successfully started the Solr server. Okay. That's all for the today video. Okay. You can see the same command actually for stop the Solr. Solr stop -p 8983. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.